Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
I will discuss the article and title in implementation of local culture. First, in use and the formation of national character and culture based in the school environment. Member time. My name is Anis Fitria.
I am Nana Safiratul Ula.
My name is Siti Nisaulak Malia.
My name is Sidkon Sakif.
Introduction. Education is important in aspect of life. Education influences human life so that they are able to survive and fulfill their daily needs. Education is given from an early age so that educational values can be easily applied in everyday life. For human life, education is an absolute need for humans that must be fulfilled through their lives. Without education, humans group will not be able to live fully their daily needs and develop and prosper in accordance with their ideals. Ki Hajar Dewantara said that education is an effort to promote the growth of character inner state, mind, intellect, and body of children, with the aim of perfecting life and harmony with the world. Method. This research method use a qualitative approach aim to understand what phenomena are experienced by research subject holistically by means of description in the form of word and law in a special natural context and utilizing various natural methods, starting with analyzing activity data and instilling values about local culture in the area. Elementary schools, as well as analyzing the elementary school environment and even conducting direct observation in the classroom. This research was conducted, I think, in the interview and interpretation of event.
Result and discussion. The importance of local cultural values in character formation. Education is process of learning and developing ability, knowledge, skill, attitude, and values that last throughout life. Cultural values are formed from norms, habits, tradition, and values that are passed down from generation to generation. Education is an important role in the importance of cultural values in the next generation. Through education, our cultural values can be preserved and developed, and as education for the formation of character is student. Therefore, cultural values in character formation are very important for students in elementary school. There are several aspects to local cultural values at school. One, local cultural values for learning. Two, character formation in elementary school. Three, education basic, national character and cultural.
Implementation of local cultural values in the formation of national character and culture in the school. Indonesia, as an affiliated country rich in cultural diversity, has a very valuable cultural heritage. Each region in Indonesia has a unique local culture, reflecting noble values and local wisdom that have been passed down from generation to generation. In the midst of globalization, which brings foreign culture influence, it is important for us to preserve and implement local culture values in various aspects of life, including in the world of education. In an effort to implement local culture values in the formation of national character and culture in the school, various strategies and approaches can be applied. These include integrating local culture in the curriculum, extracurricular activities, co-curricular activities, applying values in daily life, and developing a sportive school environment. Character building effort can be strengthened through implement cultural values in routine co-curricular activities at school. Routine activities in an activity that students carry out continuously and consistently. Example of activities such as ceremony Mondays, major stage ceremonies, istinggosa activities, wearing batik clothes on the first week of every month. Getting used to implementation 5S. Smile, greet, say hello, be polite, and polite. Use of regional language in daily conversation, activities in the form of daily practice that reflect local cultural values. Social interaction that reflect ethics, manner and respond to certain situations that reflect local wisdom. Extracurricular activities are activities carried out outside from class hall and are usually of a nature, choice and volunteering in the developing student talent and interest in certain field. Activity extracurricular such as traditional dance, tahfidz Al-Quran, banjari and futsal. The implementation of these activities in forming student character involves various aspects such as consistency and exemplary teacher and school staff who must be role model in implementation these activities. The active involvement of students is encouraged to actively participate in each activity, carry out evaluation and reflection to determine the impact and benefit felt by students.
Challenge and solution in implementing local school culture values. One of the challenges in implementing local school culture values is resistant changing and maintaining traditional educational practice. Several institution education may be hesitant to deviate from traditional methods. Even though is possible, disincentive to integrate local cultural values into the curriculum. Another significant obstacle in implementing local school cultural values is the lack of these values, teacher training, and resource for culturally based curriculum development. Educator may not have to knowledge or support necessary to be effective integrated local cultural values into teaching practice. Promoting cultural integrated multicultural education program is important. Address challenges associated with implementing local school cultural values, and by embracing multicultural education initiative, school can create opportunities for students understand and appreciate different cultural including their own local heritage. Conclusion: local cultural education is an effort to understand and preserve the cultural heritage of a particular community or region. Through local cultural education, the younger generation can learn about history, traditional language, art, and local cultural values. The aim is strength, identity, and pride in one's own culture, and maintains cultural sustainability and diversity in face of globalization.
That is all from us. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Salam.